Good day guys, being here. So today we're going to try this one. So this one's quite interesting, I think. It looks like very simple. When I first look at this one, okay, so I think we can probably just use create a mask and then try to find a pattern, so we can use pattern-based family. But then when I look into it, there's no, I can't find a pattern that can do this. And then after that I think about, maybe we can just we'll still use mask with divide surface, and then we can use adaptive family to apply them manually. But then again, so you can see this shape of this roof. So when we place, imagine you place a adaptive family, so it can be quite tricky to create this this curved shape. So when we apply, so for example, apply this triangle, it's always flat. And if you need to, if you can add, we can add a curve, but then because all these are different size, it can be very, very hard to make all these, same, to create this shape, right? So and so then after that, I think, okay, maybe we can just use simpler method. Instead of use masking, we can probably just do model in place instead. So you can see this is it. What I did is, so basically I find a pattern. So this one, so let me just do a screenshot of this. So what I did is I find to find part of this. So of course we are not going to model the whole thing like one piece, one by one piece. So what I did is I tried to find part of this from which we can repeat array. So this is what I found. So this is one part of this, and then if we just array or duplicate and make 8 of this, and we can create this shape. Okay, so and for each one, I think my method is not very I'm not sure, maybe that this is only a method, but it's not very clever or easy, or I have to create all these because they are all different colors, so I assume different material, and then we need to break them up. Because this is curved, if it's a flat face, we can use what's that, split surface and apply different material. But this is a curved surface and we can't do that. So okay, anyway, so let's do this. Okay, so okay, so first we need to create a project. Okay, so create a project. Or actually, that's fine. So we're going to just use model in place. So because this is a roof, so I'll just use a roof. And okay, so first we need to create this shape, right? So so maybe we just need to because we're going to create a revolve. Okay, so currently we are in a floor plan, so we need to create a vertical reference plan, so we can create that revolve using that as a work plan. Okay, so reference plan RP, type RP, and then we can draw this, right? And then we go to create and set work plan and pick a plan and pick this reference plan, and then we can go to either north or south elevation. So now you can see this is elevation. Okay, so we can create a revolve. So I'm going to so first we draw a line where the top of the roof is. So for example, actually let's just draw the axis line first. So as long as it's a vertical, that's all good. And we're going to use a boundary line. So first we're going to draw a line where the top of this roof is. So I imagine it's about maybe here. Okay, so it's on this side. The reason why I draw this one is we can create an arc. So we use a start and radius arc. Maybe something like radius. I'm not sure, just roughly. And then so you can see you can snap onto this. So this means when it creates the we're going to delete this one. So this we don't need this anymore. And then we just need to offset this one. So let's just offset OF. Maybe just give it like 200 mil. And then we can just close it. Okay, so I'll draw another vertical line, trim TR, and finish it. So now you can see if I go to 3D view, and this is it. Okay, I'll change to shade, SD, and this is the roof. So now we have the shape of this the roof, so overall shape of this roof, and then we can divide this by 8, right? So we can just go. We don't need to create a void or anything. We just need to here. So you can see from 0 to 360. So if we type equal 360 divided by 8, which is 45 degree. And then we have this, and also I think it's easier because this one it's a little bit hard to if we draw it in this direction. So we're going to just rotate this one. So make this one roughly here, right? So we just need to add some angle to these two. For the start angle, I think we need to add 45 degree plus half of 45, which is 22.5. So that will be 67.5, and angle, 67.5. So end angle will be 67.5 plus 45 degree. Yeah. So now this is this is it. And then we can start to we can start to create this individual part. Okay, so and before that, I'm going to show you why we can't use a split face. So usually when if the surface is a flat surface, we can use split surface. And then you can see because this is a curved, we can't do this. So we can only do this on a flat. So for example, this is a flat surface, right? So you can pick this one. You can create a closed shape, and then if you finish it, you can apply different material in this. But because this is a curved, we can't do that. So now let me just delete this. Okay, so instead of using split, what's that called? Split face, we have to use void to create those little parts. So, but before that, let's go to a side plan. I want to draw some reference plans so it's easier for me to create those shape. So from here we can see we just roughly we can do one reference plan here, another one here, and then we can just use. So basically it's just all use the midpoint here, connect them, midpoint here, connect, and connect. So it's quite simple. So now here we're going to use a reference plan. So actually I'm going to, yeah, so this is, I'm currently in this model in place general, not general model, roof model, right? So model in place. So that's fine. Let's just create a reference plan here. Okay, and then I'm going to copy another one roughly maybe here, and then just drag, oops, sorry, Control Z, just drag them a little bit. So yeah, and then I'll just do reference plan again from okay, so we can't pick the midpoint here, but that's fine. We can do a reference plan like this. Okay, and then we can just start from here to here, start from here to here, and start from let me have a look again, from here to middle point, yeah, midpoint, yeah, go from here to here, and from here to here. Let me have a look again. Okay, so midpoint from here to so you can type SE to snap endpoint, here to SE snap endpoint. So now that's all. So we need one shape. Let me have a look. The blue, the white, yeah, all good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not sure about this. Yeah, so that's one piece. This white can be one piece as well. But yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's all. So what? Okay. Now what we can do is we can create a void to cut. So for example, the first one will be this dark blue or just blue. We just need to cut away this bit. So what we can do is just use void extrusion. So just need to draw something like this to cover this part, and finish. Maybe I'll just type in a number, maybe 9 meter. Finish. Is that enough? Yes. So now you can see it automatically cut away this. So now we have this first one. Okay. So for the first one, so and then we can let me think. What? Maybe just let's give it a material. So instead of create parameters, so I'll just create a new material. Let's rename it. Let's call it maybe blue. Okay, so blue, and give it a color. So maybe this one. Is that close? It's too dark. Something like this. Okay. So graphic as well. And I'll just tick that box. And okay, so now we have this. And then I'll just let me think. Yeah, I think I will just finish this model in place, because instead of having multiple void plus multiple solid together, it can be quite because when you create a void, it will automatically cut, and then trying to uncut, it will be quite confusing. So I'm going to just model them separately. So now you can see this is one model in place. So now I'm just going to Control C, okay, and then escape and paste in the same place, and then edit in place. So now this will be the second. So now let's do maybe this time it's this white bit. Hang on, where's my screenshot? Okay, so let's do the white bit, so which is this, and then we just need to just go select this void, so this is a void, edit, and then just maybe just pick these two, but we need to cut this bit, so maybe I'll just drag this one and pick this and trim this, and then that's it. Okay, so this is this, so don't worry about that because this is the other one. Okay, so and then we just need to select it and give it a different material. So this time just a duplicate white. Okay, so and then go to appearance, change it to white. White, yeah, all good. So graphic automatically update. Yeah, all good. Click OK. So now we have this white bit. So yeah, so basically you can just finish this one and do another. So just do it's it's a bit time consuming, but it's also very simple, right? So I'm going to, maybe I'll just, to save some let me just maybe just do another one, and then I'll just pause the recording, and then just to save you some time. Okay, so let's just copy, Control C and paste again. Okay, so edit in place and just select it. So let's select the void first. Void is here, so see this one. So edit. So this time we're going to create this one. So a little bit green or teal. Yep. So let's I think we just need to adjust this void to do this, okay? And because in Revit we can't do this won't work. So let me show you. So it will say we can't do this, so because this is overlapping. You can somehow, you can just, you know, if I type TL, you can just select these two, you know, just drag this up a little bit, as long as it's not touching this line. It's still too small, the number is too small, 0.1. It won't work, because let me Control Z. So you can probably do like a 0.5, not still, no, maybe 0.8. So if you do this, you can, yes, so you can create this. So it will be only one piece. So you can see this is the one, but maybe it's not hard, because it's, let's just Control Z, because we can just easily create this one and then mirror it to the other side. So let's just do this. So finish, and then we still have this one selected. Yeah, so this one, and go to the material, and let's just duplicate till appearance, click on this color, and just let's just give it a little bit, yeah, so the color something like this, and click OK, and okay, finish. So now we have this one, and then for this one we just need to do DM, and that's it. Okay, and now go yeah, so I will continue this, so but I will just pause, so save you some time, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, yep, so that's it. So now you can see I create, we also create this one, and then mirror to the other side. Create this one. So because you can have multiple, you can create this. You can't have this one and this one together, but you can have this one and this one. So what I did is I just create this and mirror, and then create. So we have this, and then again I create one this and with this, and then mirror to create this one and this one. So let's have a look in 3D view, and this is it. So and then we just need to we can just array. Let me just maybe I'll just hide that. I don't want to accidentally move that. So move the project base pointers waypoint. I'll just hide it. Okay. So now let's select. Maybe we can even just group them first. Of course, when you array, it will automatically group. But yeah, let's do it. Array array. Let's change it to radial. Yep, radial space. Click on this. So this is the center point, and I'll just pick. So it'll be a second. Yes, correct. Click on here, and click on here. Okay, so and then we can just type in 8 and finish, and then this is it. And just actually this one's fine when we array it works very well. But sometimes you might find when you array, it just going the family, those family just go everywhere. So this that is because of some like reference plan issue. So the easiest way to fix those issue is you can always try to. So let me just show you. I'll just copy that. What you can, before you array, you can Control X, just cut it and paste in the same place. So usually what this do is it will just it will what's that called? No, it will dissociate the the word plan. Not sure. Let me just go to. I'll just try to work out what's that. What that will do. So edit word plan. Okay. So actually, this one's fine. So you can see there's a reference plan here. So because all these revolve, they are based on this reference plan, and because we draw this reference plan inside of this model, so it's fine because when you rotate, the reference plan will follow, right? So it will be fine. But if you create a reference plan outside of this family, you will have issue. Okay, but yeah, anyway, so the easiest way, you can always try Control X, cut and paste in same place, and then maybe 50% of chance it will fix that. Okay, so now we have this. I think I'm quite happy with this. Of course, there's no structure, but just the look of this is quite good. And also you might say, oh, okay, so can we just make this one paste? Yeah, of course. We just need to use join geometry because they are same material, so we should be able to join them. But apparently it will break the group because we have array, but that's fine. Let's just break ungroup them. So you can see we can join these together. And I think also you have, it needs to be a like cuttable category. So what cuttable category means is if you go to manage and object style, so you'll see under model objects there are all these different category. Some of them are cuttable, so you can see there here. So with this line weight, there's a line weight number in this cut on the cut means these families are cuttable. Okay, and cuttable means you can join them together. So for example, roof for this instance is cuttable, so that's why we can join them. But if you model them as, you know, instead of roof, if you change the category to a non-cuttable, for example, like furniture, and then you won't be able to join them. Okay, so that's just one little knowledge tips maybe. Anyway, so yeah, I think that's it. So see this, we might need to join some of this gray color as well, so you can just simply use join geometry, do that, right? Oh yeah, yes. So and they need to join as well, so you can do that. Oops. Okay, so oops, that's the last one. All good. I think I'm quite happy with this. And yeah, if you find a different way, like a mass adaptive family, pattern based, any other different method, please let me know. I will upload this for you, so you can just have a play as well. And unfortunately, I don't think there's an easy way to adjust this. So imagine I want to change the height, because each of them are just individual. So you can see you can change one. So you just need to go there, and then so you need to change the change this one. You probably yeah, still a lot of work. So yeah, you probably need to go into what you need to change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, maybe 10. You know, change 10 times. So yeah, it's not a very easy method, but this is it. Model in place. And once again, if you have any questions here, post it here. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.